Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a pair of tweezers. These will be essential for safely removing the screen and accessing the internal components of your Lenovo ThinkPad. First, power off your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during the repair. Next, remove the battery if your model allows it. This step is often overlooked but is vital for your safety. Now, locate the screws securing the screen bezel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are out, use the plastic spudger to gently pry the bezel away from the screen. Take your time with this step to prevent any damage to the clips that hold the bezel in place. With the bezel removed, you will see the screen secured by additional screws. Again, use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws. Be cautious as you do this. The screen may be fragile. If you notice any dust or debris inside the laptop, now is a good time to clean it out with a soft brush or compressed air. Once the screws are removed, gently tilt the screen forward. You will see the display cable connected to the motherboard. Carefully disconnect this cable by pulling it straight out. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, and our team can assist you with the repair. Now, take your new screen and connect the display cable to the motherboard. Ensure it is securely attached before proceeding. Once connected, position the screen back into place and replace the screws that hold it in position. Make sure everything is aligned correctly to avoid any issues later. After securing the screen, it's time to reattach the bezel. Align it carefully and press it into place, ensuring all clips are engaged. Replace the screws you removed earlier to secure the bezel firmly. Before you power on your laptop, it's wise to check that everything is in order. If you're unsure about any step, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your device repaired without the hassle of travel. No calls, no travel, just a simple, convenient service. Finally, reinsert the battery if you removed it, plug in your laptop, and power it on. Check that the new screen is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. Our team is here to help you get your Lenovo ThinkPad back in working order with minimal fuss. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.